Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will show you how to move images or objects to the front or back within Adobe Acrobat Pro. These steps are designed to make your PDF editing process both fast and simple. Whether you are working on a business report, a presentation, or organizing files, knowing how to layer objects will significantly improve your document's layout. To start, open your PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Ensure you are using the Pro version, as it contains the specific tools required for this task. You can find your file through the software dashboard or simply drag and drop it into the workspace to begin. Once the document is open, locate the global toolbar at the top of the interface. This bar houses various functions for commenting and security, but today we will select the Edit tool from this menu. Now that you are in the editing interface, scroll to the image or object you want to reposition. Click on the item to select it. This action highlights the object and displays editing handles, confirming it is ready to be modified. Make sure you have only selected the specific item you wish to move to avoid accidental changes to other parts of the page. With the image selected, right-click on it to open the context menu. In the menu that appears, look for the Arrange Image option. Hovering your mouse over this selection will reveal a submenu for positioning your object relative to other elements. You will see two primary choices: Bring to Front and Send to Back. Select Bring to Front to place the image on top of other content, or choose Send to Back to move it behind other items. These commands help you create a clean and professional visual hierarchy. That is how you expertly manage object layering in Adobe Acrobat Pro. These small changes can greatly improve the readability and design of your documents. As you get used to these tools, your ability to refine your PDF designs will certainly grow. We hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and happy editing.